Hi guys, in this tutorial we're going to spawn our actors dynamically, and you may notice that my platforms have this same base white color now. They used to be pink because apparently I changed some engine settings and then restored them to default, so they should be white, similar to what you probably had. Anyway, color doesn't really matter to doesn't have effect on functionality. So we're going to repurpose our platforms to be turrets now. They're going to shoot in a similar way to the player, how the player can shoot. And we're going to look at the platform event graph, which looks like this at the moment. And well, we do want it to rotate, but we also want it to shoot some stuff. I'm going to take the event tick and I'm going to create a sequence node so that we're able to call things in sequence. It's similar to how you would create two functions and then call one after the other. So do this, and then we're going to do something else, which is going to be, actually let's move this here and then move this here so that there is no overlap. We're going to create an actor, spawn actor from class is what we're looking for. No, we don't need that bit. Break link, there we go. The class we're using is projectile, which is the thing that already exists, which is the thing that the first person character shoots from the gun. Let's keep this at default and spawn transform. This essentially tells us where and how to spawn it. We're going to split the structure into location, rotation, and scale. I'm going to leave rotation and scale as they are at the moment. As for the location, we're going to take, let's take this value because that's the actor location of the platform. And that should be good to go. Compile, save, and run. So yeah, we have a lot of things. You've probably noticed that we had a lot of bullets or projectiles. That's because this is called on every tick. So we can't actually, well, we shouldn't be doing that anyway. We want it to spawn our projectiles every second, for example, which we can do by creating a delay of, say, 1 second. And then when delay completes, we're going to call spawn actor. Cool. So now we have these first person projectiles, which eventually disappear. I think they've got a lifespan of a couple of seconds. Yeah, you can see that they disappear. Now, they're currently spawned inside the platforms. So we probably want to adjust the Z value, which we can do by, well, first of all, let's remove this link. Let's split this further into X, Y, and Z. And then we're going to use get actor location to further break the vector into its components, which are X, Y, and Z. So the X and Y we're happy with. We're going to adjust the Z value by, well, we want to move it up. So we're going to add, shall we say, 150. And then that goes into the Z. So now our platforms shoot. They don't have anything to shoot from, they can shoot. Let's move this further to us. Or closer to us, I guess. So we can see now that it goes. It actually still rotates as well. So you can now shoot stuff and also rotate at the same time. And in a future tutorial, we're going to modify various settings of the projectile that we've just shot. And I think in the future, I'll also need to do some housekeeping because this is getting a bit more complex. So we'll probably need to add new functions or add comment boxes so that we know which nodes refer to which bit of logic. But for this tutorial, this is sufficient, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.